Hello, this is Alexander Wolf. I'm here in Danbury, Connecticut. We're going to be demoing the use of a Geiger counter as it's used in aircraft maintenance, because sometimes we have things which are radioactive that come from legacy aircraft that we don't actually know about until we test. Okay, so we have some instruments here. One's a mixture air, probably came out of something from the 40s or 50s. And we got an old compass and looks like a turn coordinator. So we're going to take our little Geiger counter here. Turn it on. Let's put it on the most sensitive scale. A little clicking works. So we'll test it on the compass. Anything? Nope. Turn coordinator? No. Hello. Not the self. Turn it down to a lower scale. Let's see, about 80 millirem per hour. Good times. So be careful when you're around old aircraft and old instruments.